The art of nature spreads all around. Seed to tree, they sprout from the ground. Lately I see my mother is gone, killed by pollution of man. Plastic souls and corporate greed, cutting down all our trees. Oceans will rise and animals will burn, killed by the smog of greed. The art of nature will provide up until the day that you die. The question I ask is, why kill her first?